Hello and welcome to this new tutorial series, Tableau Prep. So this is a Tableau Prep introduction and we will going to look at how you can get the Tableau install, download it and finally install it, and then we can go through its interface at a very high level. So just to tell you a little about or give you a glimpse about the Tableau Prep, this is how generally a Tableau Prep looks like. So Tableau Prep is, I will explain about the Tableau Prep, but in this slide I just wanted to give that about a workflow which usually you will create within a Tableau Prep for the preparation of the data. As the name itself suggests, that prep is nothing but data preparation. So just to give you a glimpse, this is how a Tableau Prep workflow or the data cleaning, data aggregation, data massaging steps usually looks like within the actual software. And as you can see, they are so intuitive that all the steps that we have, like all orders, then you have added the returns, then you have cleaned the data. We will see all of those different things in the subsequent tutorials and see how we can create a flow like these and then use it for the data cleaning and preparation perspective. And before that, some quick highlights of Tableau Prep. So one is Tableau Prep was created for data preparation. So by now you must have got this idea, as I have shown you the workflow as well, that Tableau Prep or the Tableau preparation tool has been created for the data preparation. Now data preparation is, as you know, is one of the important steps for the data visualization. So as I have mentioned over here, it was one of the biggest thing which was missing in the Tableau data visualization tool that we have been using it from so many years. And the other tools like Alteryx, etc. have been used in the past. And with the Tableau Prep, Tableau as a company is trying to complete the ecosystem where they already have the visualization tool, but in the back end where the tab preparation was missing, though you could do things like joining the tables, etc. if they are from the same database, etc. or something like creating calculated field or pivoting the table, and also some of the common steps you could do in the Tableau, but it was not a full-fledged data preparation tool. And it was suggested that even by the Tableau that most of the heavy lifting of the Tableau data preparation should be done outside of the Tableau. So that's where Tableau Prep really comes into the picture and helps you do the data preparation. So after that, using Tableau Prep is very simple, like I shown you in the previous slide, that a simple flow where, like a Tableau tool, you can simply drag and drop the various components to create a workflow for data cleaning, aggregation, joining, etc. to give it finally to the visualization tool. And how you can give it? Well, you can publish the data directly to the server from this tool, or create a local extract to use it in the data visualization tool. So this is just a quick theory around the Tableau Prep, just to give you a high level, a 10,000 feet view about the Tableau Prep if you have never heard about this or never used this tool. Okay, so operations that you can do with Tableau Prep. So by now you can understand that it's all about Tableau preparation and all, data preparation and all within Tableau Prep. So what are all these steps? So one is you can take the data from multiple sources, which is sort of a restriction when it comes to the Tableau. Then there is a comprehensive list of things that you can do to clean the data. As you know, data cleaning is a massive task where you need to perform multiple operations to bring the data into a structure or clean the data so that you can use it in the visualization. And after that, you have data transformation. So things like whether you need to aggregate the data, deaggregate the data, and things like that. After that, if you need to create new calculation, you could do this in Tableau itself. Here also you have the flexibility where you can create new calculation, and it's again very intuitive and very straightforward, and a lot of help which is already available. And finally, you have fill up the missing data that you can do, and not only that, but much more things that you can do with the Tableau Prep. So let's go ahead and see Tableau Prep So here, as you can see in the Google, I have just searched the Tableau Prep, and within the Tableau, once I search it, you will see the link which will take me directly to the Tableau Prep builder, and here you have the link to try it for free. Also, there are some video tutorials to see it in action, which is directly from the Tableau, and even I recommend that you see that. And then down there, just a quick summary of what I've already told you at a very high level, that it's a self-service data preparation. You have the preparation builder. This is sort of an image which I already shown you, but I did not show you this one because this is a little bit more complex, and which we will see in subsequent tutorials. You can see the offering and pricing information directly from there. What is the latest offering and the pricing, and then some information about immediate results by telling it how fast it is. Work smarter, work faster. Then connect data, all the different data sources. You can click the link over here to see all the data sources through which you can or with which you can connect. And then stay in the flow. You can clearly rename this tab, preview it in Tableau desktop, or remove. All of these options we will see, but what it is trying to tell you is how you can see all of the information in a flow. After that, Tableau Prep Conductor, it's another tool or another part of the component where you can schedule, monitor, and administer your data flows. Down there, schedule your flows, monitor your flows across the servers, things like that, just to make the administrator's life easy. So those are the different things which even we were going to see in the tutorials that I will going to publish in the future. But just to get it, you can click over here, try it for free. It will give you the new link where you can enter the business email, and then say start free trial, and then you can get it. So once you have got it, so for example, I already downloaded it. If I go into my downloads, and if I see the Tableau over here, so Tableau Prep is something which I have already downloaded, and installation, as you can see, is pretty straightforward like any Windows installation. So what I can do is come over here and click on the Tableau Prep. So once I click on the Tableau Prep, you will see the splash window which is coming, and it will take a couple of seconds to finally show you the entire interface, and that's what I want to show you. So initially it will ask you the information for registration. For now I will just cancel this, and over here you have a structure of a window where on the left hand side you have the information for connections to connect it from the different data sources. In the middle you have the recent flows. Sample flows has been given for Superstore and world indicators, like you have it in the Tableau itself, the world indicator and Superstore visualization. The same for the same samples, the flows are over here which you can view and try to understand. On the right hand side you have some training material like getting started, visual dictionary, video tutorial, cleaning step, Tableau Prep, some instructor led classes information, and down there you have some blogs and resources and the forums, and finally update to 2019.4.2. So all of this information is given to us on the first screen, as you can see, where you can look at the sample, you can get the training information, you can get the blog information. Once you become more and more experienced, you will start using it. And up there you have a very standard menu like file, edit, flow, server, and help. And from the help you can get to know what Tableau Prep builder you are using. I'm using 2019.3.1, which if you download these days the Tableau desktop, with that it gives you the option to download it directly, and I suggest that you download them together so that you don't have to download it as a separate entity. If you want to evaluate it later in the stage, you can download it later as well, up to you how you want to see that. But if we want to see the sample Superstore flow, so I had already tried to open it, so I'll just click again, and it will show us the flow. Left hand side, it will show the connections like order central, order west, return reason, quota, and order east. All of these are over here as an first step. Then you have some more step. Then as and when we are moving ahead, the steps have been added, roll up sales, quota plus orders, and then finally created the output. To run the entire flow, you have the option over here. To refresh the flow, refresh the data, you have the option over here. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. So with this, all of this functionality which is given over here, which we will see it in action in the future videos, we will going to look at step by step and then see this relatively complex workflow, how we can create that and use it in the action. So that's about it, a very first introductory video, and I look forward to meet you in the future video tutorial. So stay tuned for that, and we will go step by step for these video tutorials. So let me know what are the things that you would like to see in this tutorial. However, I have my standard structure which I will show you, but based on your comments, I will try to modify based on your learning needs. So that's about it, and I will meet you in the new video with a new topic.